Neil, and welcome to my office here. And what I have today is this premium insulated mug. So we're going to check this thing out and see what it is. It is a 12-ounce insulated rose gold mug. And we're going to see what this one looks like. I got this one here. Should be a nice little Mother's Day gift, I think. So let's see. It's going to be funny. So it comes with, here, I'll show you this first. So it comes wrapped pretty nice. And then here you go. It says, "You're awesome. Keep that S up." So that's what it is. And we're gonna. It's got a nice little thermal insulated thing. That's one of those ones with those like vacuum things in there, and it's nice and smooth up here. Got a nice cap. Looks kind of like the Yeti stuff. And it also comes with its own little cleaning kit. So let's see what this thing looks like here. Well, it comes with a straw with a cleaner brush for it. So boy, how do you open this thing? Okay, it's got the largest little bag ever. And so you see, so it comes with a nice metal straw for it, which fits in it nice. And then when you're done strawing it, when you're done drinking out of it, you know, the problem with these straws is they always get gross, but it comes with this nice little bristle cleaner brush. So let's see how this goes. It goes not even all the way through, but I guess you do it that way and then do it the other side. So there you go. Then it can be nice and clean. That's pretty cool. I like it. So it's a nice little mug. I wasn't even expecting it to come with a little cleaner brush, so that's just a bonus. But I like it, so thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link to this in the description, and you might even have time to get it for Mother's Day if you have a mother that you want to get this for that has a good sense of humor and that you think is awesome. So because it says you're awesome, keep that S up. So that's it. Links in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.